Hi friends, in my first video, I am going to explain you the concept of this, that, these and those. The words this, that, these and those are called as demonstrative adjectives. These words are used to point at nouns or objects. When we look at an object or more objects, point towards it and talk about that object, we use these words. We can divide these words in two groups. Put this and that in one group, these and those in another group. This and that is used when we point at a single object or a single noun. These and those are used to point at many objects or more nouns, more than one noun. For example, when we say this cat and that cat, we are pointing at only a single cat. And when we write these cats and those cats, we are pointing at more than one cat, which may be 2, 3 or more. Now let us learn the difference between all these four words. Suppose you are standing on one side and there is one single cat near you and you are pointing towards that cat and talking about it. We use this cat. In a sentence, we can write, I like this cat. Now, when one cat is far from you and you are talking about that cat, pointing it, then you use that cat. So, in a sentence, we can say, I like that cat. When we are pointing and talking about two cats or more cats near you, we use these cats. For example, in a sentence, we can say, I like these cats. Now, when you point at more cats far from you, you are talking about those cats, we use those cats. In a sentence, we can say, I like those cats. So, to point at one single object, we use this and that. If the object is near, we use this, and if that object is far, we use that. To point at more than one objects, we use these and those. If the objects are near you, we use these, and if the objects are far, we use those. We can also explain this concept in a practical way. If the child is sitting in this doll's position, we place a few objects near and far from the child. Encourage the child to say, this pencil, these pens, that glass, those toys.